after sa results good, when I saw my name sa roster, naghilaka ko, like I broke down because frankly, after the bar exam, confident kami after sa exam na maybe this year I'm gonna be part of the passers. But then nearing the date of the release of the results, it was very nerve-wracking na mahadlok jud ka, mawala gyud ang imuhang resolve, ang imong
Mm.
belief that you're going to pass and be a lawyer because at the end of the day, dili gid siya, wala na siya sa atong kamot kay ano gid
Mm.
siya sa taas gid. So
But
we've done our part. All we have to do is trust na lang gid dayon that
Mhm.
the results will favor us. Actually, I was just at home lang gid.
Mm.
Nag-iwas jud ko sa tanang tao kay dili ba ta kabalo basin dai wala ta tuguti. So dadto ko sa part nga ako lang sa ang makabalo, gi-turn off na ako notification. So
Mhm.
naghayato sa gid ko. Actually, my bar journey manggod sir was it took a lot of years yun. I was a working student and I had to go through law school nga kapoy jud kaayo and different gid ang experiences sa law student lang o working nga law student because even if sa classroom patas mi tanan at the end of the day mas daghan gyud sila time kaysa sa amo. So during that time, I was working as a teacher in Corpus Christi School. And then at night, I'm studying law dive in Xavier University. So I think during that time, lang tawag sa ako to kay Supergirl or Buwis Buhay, which is frankly, tinod man sad gyud. Kay my day starts at like 4 a.m. to study. Tapos we go to work dayon for my 7:30 class. And then get off of work at 4:30. Tapos eskwela na po ko pagka 5:30 tama 9:30 PM. And then mag-study na po ko na sir from 9:30 PM to 12 midnight, sometimes even longer if na yung mga special events gid na I have to prepare for. So honestly, dugay gid kay siya and people when they found out I passed would say na about time na gyud. It was so hard yun, sir. I don't want to do it again. So congratulations also to all the passers.
Mhm.
It was actually my second take, sir. The first take because my I got pregnant with
Mm.
a very kanang sensitive pregnancy on my last year sa law school. And
Mm.
then I almost miscarried and then during pregnancy hapit pa jud ko mamatay pag
Cool.
panganak. Like it was really a very difficult time for us. And then postpartum, I was still working. So buwis buhay pagyapon ko. I didn't really focus on reviewing for the bar. But my family said, just take it lang. Basin na iswertohon ka the first time.
Mhm.
Even, kaya di ba before, I was only juggling work and school. So, kato siya, duha lang. And then, I became a mother. So, nahimo siyang tulo na gid akong gi-juggle.
Mhm.
So, I think that experience humbled me nga as a girl boss myself, as a woman nga very career-driven, na I cannot do everything all at once. So, I had to let go of my work and I had to focus lang dayon as a mother at the same time as a bar reviewee. So now I was able to spend more time reviewing and nakafocus ko sir and kaluan sa Ginoo lesson to niya na I cannot do everything all at once and kinanglan
Mhm.
gyud nga there are choices and sacrifices we have to make to go for our dreams. Actually sir, I finished Bachelor of Science in Accountancy.
Hmm.
So accountant jud by profession.
Okay.
But then kuan, I worked at the bank for 3 years and then lisod man gyud siya i-balance ang banking with law school kay dili gyud haom ang time. And if haom man gani, dili gyud wala gyud kay time mag-balance sa ilaha duha. So I had an opportunity with Corpus. I taught sa senior high school for 6 years. And during that time, ako siyang gi-balance pud sa law school. I remember sa una sa my bosses would say na part-time teacher kuno ko kay full-time law student kuno ko kay at the end of the day I'm only teaching because I want to be a lawyer now and not the other way around. But honestly, I also wanted to teach good ever since like I grew up and I'm happy na I was able to do everything I wanted to do. I was able to be a mother, I was able to teach and I was able to become a lawyer by my deadlines.